I knew I was floundering, and I really needed someone who could help me pull all the pieces together and get refocused. I was much more confident and willing to try new things. That was a real missing piece for me. My confidence has just dramatically increased as a result of this program. Definitely say, got to do it. It was an amazingly, powerfully positive experience.
My vision is just so much bigger now for myself, and I have a lot more joy. Everything has changed. Everything is easier and bigger now. There's no going back. It's really changed how I see myself. I'm more joyful, so it's really been revolutionary for me. Sign up ASAP. It's more than worth the investment, tenfold more.
I had the freedom to have more quality of life, believing that it's all in place now. I have more time with my family and the freedom to really enjoy my passion. This program is a must. I would just highly recommend it. Don't even think about it. Just go for it.
Absolutely do it. It was really a phenomenal thing for me. The things that I learned are things that I can always go back to.
Seriously, sign up. There's the quality of life and the personal development and the joy factor that you can't even measure that I got tenfold back. I think the expression is no-brainer. You know what I mean? The value adds up in a way that you just can't even measure it. I would take the program again.
I highly recommend this program to any who has big dreams for their life and their business.
I knew that I needed somebody to say, okay, here's the first step, here's the second step. I needed the structure that you provided in this program. And, you know, one of the things that I really loved, Eva, and it really reflects the name of your company, I always felt that we were getting the latest and the greatest, the leading edge practices that work. Wherever you are, you will be light years ahead as a result of what you will learn in this program. I mean, it's transformational change. It's quantumly changed. You need to do it.
Now, I went from this person who was procrastinating, nervous, should I, could I, would I, to this person who actually said, oh, right, I'm a winner. I'm more confident. It's really going beyond who I was into who I really want to be. I had to really get familiar with who I am. Not at a superficial level, but who I was really comfortable being. It is really worth it. Another thing that you always say, and I'm now living into it, and all of these things that we live into, is success is the only option. And if you're ready for that, then this program is for you.
My gut was telling me that I really wanted to learn more about this program because it was the answer that I was looking for and just knew that this was it. The theme that I learned is just making sure that it's all about making it fun and easy.
Fun is number one.
And that anything that I do should never, ever feel like a chore. Otherwise, it's not the right thing to do. So the other thing that I really got from this program was that success is the only option. So that there's no other choice, and that really success looks differently for each person. So I have to look at what it looks like for me. And so it's the only option. And the great thing is you don't have to do it alone. And not only do you get tried and true methods that work, you also get a community of people who are cheering you on for your success.
You said success is your only option. And I just somehow knew, oh, of course. Of course. That's why I'm in this program. It's been really awesome. It's been so fun. And I'm just having a blast. I'm just having so much fun. And success is your only option. That's what you taught me so well. And you've got to do this. If you're in a place where you feel you have been feeling stuck or at a plateau, kind of like I was, that learning by you is just so fun and it's so inspiring. And I've taken so many inspired actions as a result of being in this program. And so I would tell someone, hey, if you're ready to do it, if you're ready to make the changes, you can't lose. Success is the only choice.
There was so much energy and excitement and enthusiasm, and, it's so contagious. The most exciting thing has been completing my daily inspirations. I would just really encourage people to go forward. You're going to build a community here of supportive people, of inspiring people. You're going to get ideas.
The fact that you had done what you were saying you were going to show us, like there's great power in that. You've done it. The program provides an opportunity to grow as individuals that it's priceless. It's the gift that keeps on giving.
I realized that I would gain so much from working with the high-energy group that I knew you were going to be attracting. I realized how much cutting-edge stuff I had even missed, so it was like, eureka, I need this because this is definitely going to take me to the next level. And you're so good as a facilitator. And you bring in very good guest experts, and you attract very good people. It's definitely worth the time. What you teach and the way you share it is very invigorating, very inspiring, and very cutting edge.
If you're ready to live your life from its highest potential and really come from a space of love and joy and being able to create whatever it is you want, this is it. And you'll be so glad you did it. It's so worth it.
If there is anything that you have heard or felt as you learned or read about or heard about Eva's program, trust it. Trust that there is something really special and important for you, and take advantage of it.
What are you waiting for? I mean, now is not just the time, but now is your time. Just do it and don't look back.
Definitely go through the program. Just take the class.
Oh, do it, without a doubt.
Don't hesitate. Bottom line, if you're feeling like you're supposed to do it, you need to do it.
I can't recommend it enough. If you're getting the inner calling, guys, just say yes, sign up, jump in and go.